Hi everyone, welcome to the Diecast Collection Videoarts channel. I will show you the Space Shuttle by Matchbox. This is part of the Skybuster series. The Space Shuttle is one of the two Skybusters models in my collection. I picked this up because this is a model of a realistic vehicle, the Space Shuttle. It is also filled with these paint designs that is from a real organization, NASA. When comparing the Space Shuttle to a regular 1/64 scale car, the size differences are evident. The Skybusters model, the Space Shuttle, is larger compared to the 1/64 scale car on its left. I got to learn some more details about the Space Shuttle, and we are going to talk about that in the video. Let's take a look at the Space Shuttle starting in the front. In the front, the body or the fuselage in the center has painted borders for the windows on top. Details in the center, the cone of the Space Shuttle will most likely contain radio controls or radio communication equipment. On the side of the wings are some lines. At the top of the fuselage is the tall back wing. At the left, there are more painted details. Let's take a look at the details at the back. There is the United States flag, the United States logo, and the NASA logo. There's the Endeavor keyword just below the window borders. There are multiple panels or shapes, like here at the bottom of the thrusters, in the center, and this semicircle. And these are for most likely the accessibility of the devices of the Space Shuttle. Not really sure where the passengers can get in. It can be either in this semicircle panel or this one. At the top, there are some lines and these little rectangles. And there's a purpose for these lines and rectangles. We're going to talk about that later. Unlike in the front, there are no paints at the back. We do get to see more details, like these thrusters in the center, thrusters on the top, and there is a notch at the bottom of the back wing. The thrusters in the middle might look like it's one piece with the bottom, but it's not. It is a separate plastic piece. See the gap over here? So this one is a different piece. At the right of the Space Shuttle, it's identical, mostly like the paint decorations, the Endeavor keyword on the top, and the panels. There's one missing panel over here because on the left side from earlier, the semicircle panel is in here, but it's not here on the right side. These lines form the right door, and going to the top, here's the left side, by the way, here's the left door, and here's the right door. These are large doors for the space lab that contains the tools for recording data. By the scientists, they open up when they're about to gather data. Use the tools, and then once they're done, return the tools inside the space lab, and then close the large doors. Very cool. The painted borders of the windows, more paint decorations on the wings. We have here the United States flag on the right, And at the bottom of the United States flag is the Discovery text. At the left wing is the NASA symbol. Below the Discovery and the NASA symbol are lines, most likely for the vents of the wings. I'm a bit confused on whether the name of the ship is Discovery or Endeavour, because there are two texts here. I'm just going to assume that the name of the space shuttle is Endeavour, and Discovery is most likely the space program that the Endeavour is affiliated with. Or you can think of it as the Endeavour is part of the Discovery program of NASA. At the bottom is the plastic base. The metal part of this space shuttle is the fuselage or the body here in the center. Here's the metal body, including the wing on top, and the plastic is at the base. The base has these rectangles. They look like bricks. The landing gear with these small wheels, and it's kind of covering the information, the name of the space shuttle. It's covered by the back wheels of the landing gear. The wheels can roll well, and we can display the space shuttle as if it's in landing position. We can also use the small wheels to see if the space shuttle can run on surfaces. It rolls well, even though the wheels are small. This ends my video art of the Space Shuttle by Matchbox. Thanks for watching, enjoy our collection, and see you with the next model.